There are 22 parts in Indian Constitution. Part number 1 discusses the Union and its territory, and it covered the Article 1 to 4. Part number 1 discussed the Union and its territory, and it covered the Article 1 to 4. Part number 2 discussed citizenship. It covered the Article 5 to 11. Part number 2 discussed citizenship, and it covered the Article 5 to 11. Part number 3 discussed fundamental rights. It covered the Article 12 to 35. Part number 3 discussed fundamental rights, and it covered Article 12 to 35. Part number 4 directive principles and of state policy. It covered the Article 36 to 51. Part number 4 discussed directive principles of state policy. It covered the Article 36 to 51. Part number 4A fundamental duties. It covered the Article 51A. Part number 4A fundamental duties 51A. Part 5 discuss 5 chapters, and the main thing is the Union government. Chapter 1 it discuss the executive of Union government. It covers the Article 52 to 78. Chapter 2 discuss Parliament, and it covers the Article 79 to 122. Chapter 3 legislative powers of President. It covers the Article 123. Chapter 4 discuss the Union judiciary. It covers the Article 124 to 147. And Chapter 5 CAG, that means Controller and Auditor General of India. It covers Article 148 to 100. Part 6 discuss the state government, and it has 6 chapters. First one general, second one the executive, third one the state legislature. Chapter 4 the legislative power of governor. Chapter 5 the high court, and chapter 6 is the subordinate court. Part 8 covered the Union territories. It covered the Article 239 to 242. Part 8 Union territories. Part 9 the Panchayat. It discussed the Panchayat, and it covered the Article 243 to 243O. And Part 9A the municipalities. Part 10 discuss the schedule and the tribal areas. Okay, it covered Article 244 to 244A. Part 11 relationship between Union and states. 245 to 263. Part 12 discuss finance, property, contract and suit. So it covered the Article 264 to 291. Part 14 discuss services under Union and states. It covered Article 308 to 323. Part 15, these are the most important parts. Part 15 covers elections, okay, and it discusses the Article 324 to 329. Part 17 discuss official languages. It covers the Article 343 to 351. Part 18 discuss emergency provisions. It covers the Article 352 to 360. Part 20 discuss amendment of the Constitution. It discuss the Article 368.